Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're going to be doing some pre-winter repairs on my 98 Jeep Cherokee XJ. For anyone new to the channel, this is it right here. It's my first truck. I've had it for about 9 years now. It's been fantastic. It's just shy of 280,000 kilometers. This is the factory color. It's got the factory bull guard. I got about 3.5-inch lift on it with the 31-inch tires. And all supporting mods done, of course. But there are some stuff I got to take care of before winter. As you can see, the leaves are falling. The cold's quickly coming upon us here. So the other day, I was leaving the gas station and some old guy in a manual Volkswagen Passat decided to pop the clutch right behind me and gave me a little dent here. Unfortunately, I don't know if you can see that. We're down to primer here. Some paint flaking off. That's damaged. The trim over here slightly warped, and he also hit my exhaust pipe. So it actually caused, this is the new one I put in off camera, but this was actually pushed in a bit. Now he only hit me at about maybe 5 to 10 kilometers. Now his car had thousands of dollars of damage because all these new cars nowadays are plastic, but luckily for me, I just need a bumper or a piece of new trim on the quarter of the bumper there, or I'm just going to fill it in with some body filler and everything like that. It's not too big of a deal. The bumper's like a 1/4 inch thick of steel, so it's very minor. There's nothing behind it that was pushed in. Nothing actually hit the body, thank God, because my truck is 10 times more rare and valuable than a boring Volkswagen Passat. Here's more of a close-up to the damage to the bumper. So I'm going to be repairing this as well before the snow comes, but just not in this video. I'm still waiting on the paint and the primer and the body filler to fill this over. There's no rust or anything like that, and to track down a new bumper like this shouldn't be too difficult, but we're trying to save a buck here, so we're gonna just repair this one for the time being until I find a part out vehicle. But for today's video, this ugly thing is gonna get replaced with this slightly less uglier thing for obviously a style and performance and another 50 horsepower gain for sure. I'm also going to be doing some LED bulbs for the dome light. Inside the truck there's 2 of them, one's flickering. I'm also going to be putting in LED reverse lights. We're also going to be replacing the blower motor resistor. Here's the new one, because right now I only have fan speed 4 working, and it's got the original blower motor resistor with the truck. So it's about 26 years old and survived about 276,000 kilometers. So enough talking, let's get the work started. Check out how worn this blower motor resistor is. I can't believe how much rust is formed in there, and I don't know if the camera could focus in on that. It looked like there was a little spider that inhabited here and unfortunately passed, but regardless, out with the old, in with the new. Okay, moment of truth here. Let's go ahead and turn on the fan. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, 2, 1. Perfect. So that just about wraps up this video, guys. We did the exhaust tip, low motor resistor, reverse light LEDs. Dome light LEDs were interesting because I actually ordered the wrong bulbs by accident, but upon further inspection, turns out that the contact points for the bulb were actually loose. Because, as you can see, this is the old LED bulb still in, and it works fine. I had the headliner done a few months ago, and I guess this had to come out, and it wasn't put back in correctly, or the bulb wasn't secured fully, but all that's done now. There are always things to do on old vehicles, so this video is just some of the stuff I had to do at this current moment for this truck. Now, there'll be stuff done off camera, obviously, like repairing the bumper and everything like that, but for the most part, this is just to show what I need to do at this current moment. So thanks again for watching, guys. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more videos on any of my vehicles and any upcoming project cars. Thanks.